Max, move.
Hi guys, so I'm about to start straightening my hair for my dance because it's like kind of formal, kind of not formal. So I'm just going to straighten it, then do something with it. And I already got my nails done, and whenever it's straightened, I'll talk again. 2 chains. So my hair is done being straightened. And also, I got my free makeup in the mail today. I got free makeup from Benefit because I got a bunch of people to sign up with their email. So I'll show that. Also, if you hear a bunch of noise in the background, it's my nephew and my cousin. But, so first of all, I got this full-size Hula bronzer. I got a mini professional primer. Then I got the Pearl Primer Professional full size, and then I got the They're Real Mascara full size. So that's awesome. I got all of it for free. I just had my friends and family sign up for their email, so that's a plus. Now I'm gonna start doing my makeup a little bit. It's currently like 4 or 4:30. My dance, I'm supposed to be done getting ready by like 7. So I'm gonna start doing my makeup a little bit, and I'll do like little clips of that. So yeah. By the way, also, I would just like to add, before I start, I just got this foundation by Essence. It's called the Fresh and Fit Awake Makeup. It's in the shade Fresh Ivory 10. And it's really nice. It was only $6.99, and it's honestly so nice. It's like light. It's like medium to full coverage, which is surprising. And it blends so well. It doesn't like dry whenever you put it in places. So that's a plus. It's like glowy. So yeah, I recommend. And it's only $6.99. So that's really good. trash can here? On my bed.
Piece of gum.
You can put it in my trash can.
Oh, I thought you meant like just throw the trash on your bed.
No, my trash can's on my bed because the baby goes through it. What is that? Oh, my box.
Why don't you keep it?
I don't have nothing to keep it for.
Sorry.
Oh,
Like, give a skinny ponytail. Wait, did
if your pomade ever gets dry,
add some water?
tell us your tips on them.
Water, add some argan oil.
Add argan oil if your pomade gets dry. Tip number 1. Tip number 4.
Argan oil, vitamin E oil.
All of those oils work. No! Why'd you take it out?
Johna, I add this.
Oh, yeah. Okay. Now I'm
We'll see.
sad.
Looks like we go to add more pieces from the side, like in the braid, then I'll just make it bigger. So we still have like a ton of time. Yeah, we should add more stuff from the sides. Stop taking videos of you like this. Head pack.
Oh. Oh. Oh, I wasn't recording that whole time. So, yeah, so I'm wearing a t-shirt under this velvet dress. This one's from H&M, this one's from Forever 21. And I'm also wearing these sweatpants. This is just a joke, but the sweatpants I have to take off still is what I mean. So, yeah, this is my hair. Creds to Cassidy. I'll link her IG in the bio.
For both our
P.S. P.S. She's also my cousin. So, follow her. This is my mini chandelier. So, I look goth right now because I only have bottom mascara on. Really? I only have bottom mascara on because my mom isn't home yet and she's bringing me my lashes, my fake lashes. So, I look goth. And I feel weird. I don't know if I should leave the choker on or this on. I don't know. But, yeah. I'm getting nervous. I keep looking in the mirror and, like, looking at myself because I'm ready so early. Which I wish I wasn't. I wish I was ready, like, not early. Because I keep looking at myself and changing stuff. So, yeah. So, I am all the way ready. I got all my fake lashes and my outfit. And Logan's in the backseat. And that's my mom. So, I'm going to the dance now. And then I'll put some videos from the dance. Okay, bye.
How was the dance? It was good.